Hey, welcome back to your review channel. Do appreciate you stopping by. This episode's about the Dynatrap. We're going to take it apart, we're going to clean it. We're going to see what kind of insects we yielded for the last week. So I purchased this item at Costco and we're just doing an open and clean and take a look at what we have for insects. So I do appreciate you stopping by and tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's get into the video right now. Okay, so I've been running this for probably about a week now. And I do notice some insects hanging around. Maybe they're looking to go in at nighttime to visit. I don't really know, but that's just kind of weird. But this is what it looks like inside. This is about 6 days running. There was a lot of live insects always during the morning, and by nighttime they pretty much expired. And that's kind of like seems to be the routine with this product here. So I'm going to do an open and clean video right now. So I'm just showing you what it looks like. This is day 6. So I'm going to go into the next day. So it'll be 7 days total that this has been running. I live in a condo association, so and there's a lot of bright lights around. So I think the yield would have been much more, but it's not bad considering a lot of moths, a lot of stink bugs. I think a bee or two is in there, things like that. So let's take it apart and look at the insects together and see what you think. Any questions or comments, leave below. Okay, so I'm going to open it up and put some gloves on because I wasn't sure what to expect. And there is some live insects still in there, and 1 or 2 did escape. I guess that's just part of the routine. So I'm going to dump it down here on this table so we can take a look together and see what we have. So a few things are flying away. I think we got a few fleas in there hopping around. We got all kinds of little insects in there. Like I said, a lot of moths. Again, this is approximately 7 days. I'm in a condo with a lot of bright lights around, so I'm not really probably collecting as many as other people do online, but this is just what I have, so you know. This is the half-acre version. Take a look at all the other videos. I'm trying to kill these little suckers flying around of all the several different days that I did a review on this, and you can just see how it worked, and just to see the yield, and you can see the bugs and so forth. So this is what I got. This is what I have here. I put on the paper so you can get a better view of it. I did see a bee in there. I did see a lot of moths in here. Let me know what you have. If you have a Dynatrap, what you caught. A lot of mosquitoes in here as well. I think all the little black ones are little mosquitoes, I think, little tiny ones. I'm not really sure how to tell. There's a bee right there. I got the bee. Like I said, a lot of moths. And just, I don't know. This is what I got. Tell me what you got. Tell me what you think about this. I mean, I think it works well. We haven't had any stink bugs in our house at all. I think it does attract them. I think it attracts a lot of bugs. This is it. This is the yield. This is what I got for about a week. Yeah, so I've been, like I said, I'm in a condo, and this is pretty much what I got. But it's not terrible. It's a lot of moths, which can be destructive, and a lot of mosquitoes in there, and a bee, and a few stink bugs, and beetles, and all kinds of insects. So that's what I got. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Here's below it. You can see it's pretty clean. The fan is pretty clean. There's no debris in there. There's no insects in there. And so that's pretty clean. So I didn't do much cleaning for that. Just shake it out, the bucket, and just reattach it and go. That's it. Well, I hope you found this video informative. Here's one more look at the yield of insects that I did receive. Like I said, there's a bee. There's a lot of moths. There are a lot of stink bugs. All kinds of critters, all kinds of insects. I think there's beetles in there. I mean, all kinds of things running around still, and they still are alive. So that's another thing about the trap's kind of weird. As you're emptying it, there are some insects that are alive. So let me know. Leave some comments below. Let me know if you use a Dynatrap 3. How does it work for you? And just the overall use, and if you're happy with it. I think it works great. I'll definitely I'll leave a link below if they don't have it any longer at Costco, so you can order yours as well. And that's it. So I hope you found this video informative as well as educational, because that's what it's all about. So I appreciate you tuning in to your review channel. You make it a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you at the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll be notified that the next video comes out. And if you have any suggestions at all, let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll do a video review on that item. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. That's it for me. Have a good night.